so close, thus we so far. How could I deal with this feeling, shorty, it's so hard. So listen, I'm speaking to my distant lover. Word to mother, we can move undercover, and you'll discover there's nothing like it, none other. Through the rain pours and the thunder, through the long nights alone to the hot days of summer, I'll be there by your side, so don't wonder, baby, what is it? I seen you in the corner of my eye, light skin, long hair, short dress, thick thighs. You wanna come and kick you with a stand-up guy, cause times is the essence, so don't let it fly by. Me and you go together, so let's grow together. We a good look, shorty, and I know you better. Don't mind them haters on the side, cause they don't know no better. So baby, do you, cause you a go-getter. You just like Bonnie and Clyde, it's what they call us, go together. Perfect and smooth, just like liquor to alcoholics. Got our own space to roam, baby, the touch of frolic. Got your boy swagger on point, which means I'm feeling brolic. What we got is set in stone, our love forever solid. Whatever you need, baby girl, you know your man, you got it. And if I don't have it, then you know your boy will cop it. And let the good times roll, see girl, nothing can stop it. If it's meant to be, heaven sent to me, destiny. This girl got the best of me, the rest of me I kept, no choice to keep pushing. Heart feeling like 1,000 needles jammed in the cushion. But I realized what I did in the past didn't pay you any attention. I was living so fast, so worried about my image and what I got in the stash. Loved it, live here, but now it's tossed in the trash.